This kind of puts a new slant on things. Any of you mechanically minded people will recognize you do not have that much backlash in a camshaft. And it's not supposed to be in two pieces. So this is game over for me. I don't have any money. Well, money's not the main issue with these engines. The main issue is you just can't get any spares for them anymore. There's a 12mm socket. Where's a 12mm socket gone? There it is. Now, I haven't touched that cap. I've not touched that cap, I've just taken that off with my fingers. That one. So, I had this cylinder head replaced by a garage 5 years ago. I have been in here twice since then to check the valve clearances. I have not touched the camshaft at all. Okay, that bolt's finger tight. That one's torqued down. That wasn't what you'd say. Ow, it was torqued. That was torqued. That was torqued. That was finger tight. That was torqued. So we got a mixed bag of loose bolts. This one's wound itself out part way. I can see it's part way out. There's a thread. Yeah, how do you film one-handed? There's the thread on the end of that bolt. So that's pulled the thread out the head. Oh, I can see this one here. The thread's on the bolt. Again, I'll tell you what, hold on. Right, okay. I've got my assistant holding the alright. Now it's basically, it's either a helicoil insert which has been pulled out, or it's torn the thread out. Alright, move the camera in here a minute while I just get in, because come on over here. I do not want this diesel oil on my fingers, but unfortunately, I ain't gonna say anything. Wow! Wow, people! Wow! I'm starting to wonder now just what else has gone on. What actually caused? Oh, we could have a drop valve here. I mean, this is starting to look like a drop valve now. Oh, we've got bearing shells. You can see he's running in bearing shells in the head. Get off me. Buckets are my buckets are in situ and they're still rotating. if there was a dropped or bent valve in there, they'd possibly be halfway down the hole, or they would have shot out because the valve wouldn't be holding them in the head anymore. So round about now, I'm not entirely sure what's caused all this. I mean, I'm not going to get any closer to it while it's all covered in cack, so I might as well just take the rest of it out and get all this cack off me. So that's the end of this tail, and it could be the end of this bus. We'll have to find out later on. So once again, later.